Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Today we will continue how to put electron of an atomic structure of the first 20 elements is shown schematically. You see here, first the element of first hydrogen. Their symbol is H. Atomic number 1, mass number is also 1. So how to put in the atom? So we know that this is the first cell of atom and this is known as nucleus. Okay. So how many electrons are present here? In the hydrogen atoms, 1 electron. So you put 1 electron. One electron. Okay. This is the atom of hydrogen. Second, helium. Their symbol is He. Their atomic number is 2 and mass number is 4. And their schematic diagram, this is the first cell which is known as K cell. How many electrons? There are 2 electrons. So you put 2 electrons in the first cell. Okay. Third, lithium. The symbol is Li. The first letter you write in capital and second one is small. So this is the lithium. The atomic number is 3, mass number 7. And their schematic diagram, this is the first cell and this one is the second cell. So the first cell has maximum 2 electrons. You put here 2 electrons in the first cell. And second cell, number of remaining electron 1. So you put 1 electron. And this is known as nucleus of atom. Fourth, beryllium. Their symbol is Be. Their atomic number is 4. Mass number is 9. Okay. Their schematic diagram, 1, 2, and this is the nucleus. How many electrons are present? The first cell have maximum 2 electrons. The second cell have maximum 8 electrons. But you have only 2 electrons, so you put 2 electrons. Similarly, boron. Next, name of element, boron. The symbol is B. Atomic number 5, mass number 11. The diagram, first cell, this is known as K cell, this is known as L cell. So, and is also present nucleus. Electrons are revolved surrounding the nucleus. Okay, students. So, number of electrons present here in first cell have only 2 electrons. And second cell, how many remaining electrons? 3 electrons. You put 1, 2, 3. Okay. Similarly, next, 6, carbon. The symbol is C. Atomic number 6, mass number 12. The symbol, schematic diagram, first cell, second cell, and nucleus. Number of electron first cell have 2, second cell 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6. Next, seven, nitrogen. Their symbol is N. Atomic number 7. Mass number 40. Their schematic diagram. Their schematic diagram is first cell 2 electron, second cell 5 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7. Okay. So the second cell have how many electrons present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. And nucleus is also present of this schematic diagram. 8, oxygen. Okay. That symbol is O. Atomic number 8. Mass number 60. And their schematic diagram is first cell 2 electron, second cell. How many electrons? There are 6 electrons. First you put 2 electron in the first cell because 2 electron maximum in the first cell. This is known as K cell. Okay. And remaining electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. Okay. This is nucleus. Electron are revolved surrounding the nucleus. And next, fluorine. Their symbol is F. Atomic number 9. Mass number 90. Their schematic diagram. First cell have 2 electrons. Second cell have how many electrons? 7 electrons. So you put 1 electron, 2 electron, and remaining electrons 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see here number of electrons 10. Neon, which is known as noble gas element. Helium and neon is noble gas element. The symbol is Ne. Atomic number 10. Mass number 20. Okay. Their mass number is 20. So their symbol, schematic diagram, first cell, second cell. You see here. This is the nucleus. Number of electron first cell 2 electron. Okay. And second cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons, students. Okay. Number of electron in the second cell is 8. The maximum electron present in the second cell is 8. So not put more than 8 electron in the second cell. Okay. Similarly, 11, sodium. Their symbol is Na. Atomic number 11. Mass number 23. How to Draw their schematic diagram. You draw the first cell, 2 electron, and second cell, 8 electron, and third cell, how many electrons? 1 electrons. You see here, this is the 2 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron. Maximum electron are present in the second cell is 8. And how many electrons are remaining? 1 electrons you put in this cell. This is known as K cell, L cell, M cell. So M cell have only 1 electrons are present here. The next elements 12, magnesium. Their symbol is Mg. Okay, the first letter is capital letter and second is small. Atomic number 12, mass number 24, and their schematic diagram. First cell 2 electron, second cell 8 electron, and third cell 2 electrons. So you put first electron, 2 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons, and remaining electron 2. So you put in the third cell 2 electrons. Okay. 13, aluminium. Which elements? Aluminium. Their symbol is Al. Atomic number 30, mass number 27, and their schematic diagram is first cell, second cell, and third cell. How many electrons? First cell 2 electron, second cell 8 electrons, and third cell 1, 2, 3 electrons. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 3, 13. Similarly, 14. The element name is silicon. Which elements? Silicon. The symbol is Si. Atomic number 40. Mass number 28. Schematic diagrams. First cell, second cell, third cell. How many electrons are present in the third cell? 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 2 electron, there is 8 electron, similarly, number of 15, element name is phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus. Their symbol is P. Atomic number 15. Mass number 31, and their schematic diagram. First cell, second cell, and third cell. The third cell have similarly how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. Okay, students, and remaining 2 electrons. Here is also 8 electrons. You put 2 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, you can go up to 20. Next, sulfur. The symbol is S, atomic number 16, mass number 32. The schematic diagram is the first cell, second cell, and third cell. How many electron in third cell? 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And first have 2 electron. Second have 8 electron. Similarly, you can do up to 20 elements. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.